Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech with Deepak. Today we will review about a new upcoming Jaguar car. This is a upcoming Jaguar F-Type R Dynamic Black. This car can be launched in September 2023. This car has looking so extraordinary. Jaguar F-Type R Dynamic Black Overview. bhp 443.8. Transmission automatic. Fuel petrol. Seating capacity 2. Key specifications of Jaguar F-Type R Dynamic Black. Fuel type petrol. Engine displacement 4,998 cubic centimeters. No of cylinder 8. Max power, bhp at RPM, 443.8 bhp at 6,000 RPM. Max torque, Nm at RPM, 580 Nm at 2500-500 RPM. Transmission type automatic. Boot space 310 liters. Fuel tank capacity 63 liters. Body type coupe. Ground clearance unladen 100 mm. Key features of Jaguar F-Type R Dynamic Black. Multifunction steering wheel. Power adjustable exterior rear view mirror. Touch screen. Automatic climate control. Engine start-stop button. Anti-lock braking system. Alloy wheels. Fog lights, front. Fog lights, rear. Power windows front. Passenger airbag. Driver airbag. Power steering. Air conditioner. And it has no wheel covers. F-Type R Dynamic Black colors options. Jaguar F-Type is available in 23 different colors: Firenze Red, Sanguinello Orange, Tourmaline Brown, Dynamic Black, Yulong White, Portofino Blue, Petroix Blue, Sunset Glow, British Racing Green, Ligurian Black, Caldera Red, Desire Deep Red, Santorini Black, Fuji White, Sorrento Yellow, Bluefire Blue, Silicon Silver, Ice White, Carpathian Gray, Eiger Gray, Amethyst Gray Purple, Flux Silver and Indus Silver. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.